Floating garden in NYC. Today, we are diving into a detailed overview of the floating garden in NYC's Gowanus Canal. The Gowanus Canal, situated in Brooklyn, New York, has been plagued by severe pollution due to over a century of industrial use. Historically, it served as a significant industrial transportation route, leading to extensive contamination from factories, coal yards, tanneries, and other facilities that dumped waste directly into the canal. This resulted in high levels of pollutants, including heavy metals, organic compounds, and raw sewage, earning the canal a notorious reputation for its toxicity. The concept of floating gardens. Floating gardens, or phytoremediation islands, are an innovative approach to cleaning contaminated water bodies using the natural filtration capabilities of plants. These gardens consist of buoyant platforms planted with a variety of vegetation known for their ability to absorb and break down pollutants. The concept leverages the following mechanisms. Phytoremediation. Plants absorb contaminants through their roots and either store or transform them into less harmful substances. Bioremediation. Microorganisms associated with the plant roots degrade organic pollutants. Filtration plant roots and soil matrix physically filter particulate matter from the water. Specifics of the Gowanus Canal Floating Garden Project. Design and implementation. The Gowanus Canal Floating Garden was designed with several key features to maximize its effectiveness. Floating platforms. Constructed from sustainable and buoyant materials, these platforms support a variety of plants. They are designed to remain stable and maintain optimal conditions for plant growth, even with water level fluctuations. Plant selection. The plants chosen include species known for their high tolerance to pollutants and their phytoremediation capabilities. Common selections include cattails, reeds, and certain aquatic plants that can thrive in contaminated water. Installation and maintenance. The installation involved placing the platform strategically in the canal to cover areas with the highest pollutant concentrations. Regular maintenance is conducted to ensure plant health and replace any plants that may die off. Environmental and ecological benefits. The primary benefit is the significant reduction in pollutants such as heavy metals, nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, and organic contaminants. This leads to improved water quality. The gardens provide a habitat for local wildlife, including fish, birds, and beneficial insects, thereby enhancing biodiversity in the area. The floating gardens also beautify the canal, making it a more pleasant environment for the local community and potentially boosting recreational activities and tourism. Community involvement and education. The success of the Floating Garden project is partly due to active community involvement. Local residents, schools, and environmental organizations have been engaged in the following ways. Community members participate in planting and maintaining the gardens, fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility. Schools and educational institutions use the project as a learning tool to teach students about environmental science, sustainability, and the importance of clean waterways. Efforts are made to raise awareness about the canal's history, the current environmental efforts, and how the community can contribute to long-term sustainability. Challenges and future directions. Financial and logistical challenges. Securing continuous funding for maintenance and expansion is a challenge. The project relies on a mix of public funds, private donations, and grants. Ongoing industrial activity and urban runoff continue to introduce pollutants into the canal, requiring continuous remediation efforts. Technological and research advances. Researchers are exploring advanced techniques to boost the efficiency of phytoremediation. This includes genetic engineering of plants to enhance their pollutant absorption capabilities and integrating other technologies like biochar to improve soil conditions. Implementing advanced monitoring systems to collect data on water quality and plant health helps in fine-tuning the project for better results. This data-driven approach ensures that the most effective methods are employed: expansion and replication. There are plans to expand the floating gardens to cover larger areas of the Gowanus Canal and potentially other polluted waterways in New York City. The success of this project serves as a model for similar initiatives worldwide. Cities with polluted water bodies can adapt the floating garden concept to their local conditions, helping to address global water pollution issues. The floating garden in New York City's Gowanus Canal is a pioneering example of how urban areas can tackle pollution through innovative and sustainable methods. By leveraging the natural abilities of plants, this project not only cleans the water, but also enhances local biodiversity and community engagement. Its success underscores the potential for similar initiatives to contribute to environmental restoration and urban resilience on a global scale. For more detailed information about the floating garden and its impact, you can refer to the original news sources, Positive News Foundation and Global Good News. These sources provide comprehensive insights into the project's development, challenges and future plans, highlighting the broader implications for environmental sustainability and urban renewal. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, sending warm hugs surrounding you with bright white lights and love. Thank you for watching.